are going to see what is Sybase Infocenter. So this is a website called Sybase Infocenter, infocenter.sybase.com, which is basically kind of a documentation or comprehensive documentation of all the Sybase product what Sybase has developed over the period of years. Okay, so yes, so you see if I just scroll down, it's a SAP's AAC Adaptive Enterprise Server 16. Then we have a lot of versions of ASAP AAC 15.7. Then there the SPs is around us. Okay, then we have with respect to all the languages, Japanese, simplified, Chinese. Okay, then we have a French also. Similarly, we have these one of Sybase AC version 12.5.4. Then we have is app builder. Then these are the product data window and .NET EA server, enterprise connect data access, info maker, info SAP J connect. Then we have SAP open server. Then we have power AMC power builder. So all these are the comprehensive documentation about the Sybase products. Okay, so now what we are focusing on the Sybase ASE part. Okay, so just if you just here and just go to Sybase ASE, now here you will see there are a lot of contents around it. Release bulletin, installation guide for Sybase on HP UX, then IBM AIX, Linux, Solaris, then we have Windows. Okay, but as a beginner I would recommend to go to the Sybase administration guide. So if you just scroll down and if you see here, so you can see yes. So here you can see, sorry. So this is how the Sybase AAC administration guide volume 1. Okay, and once you click here you can see the content on this SAP volume 1 SAG. It's a SAG, it's called a SAG System Administration Guide volume 1. You can see overview of the Sybase system. So yes, you have to revisit, you have to start reading here. So we are going to cover in upcoming sessions about this Sybase administration guide volume 1 and volume 2. As you know, like Sybase is a licensed product, and we cannot offered as a freeware software to install on a system and work upon it. Yes, of course, this is going to help you as a L0 L1 activity to perform L1 activity. Okay, so stay tuned. Thank you.